What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Trouble Trades. I had a very tough week this week. I lost, I think, 1,300 on each account on all 20 PAs. So I have like $1,000 left for drawdown. So hopefully this week, today's Monday. Hopefully this week, I can recover some of the money, because Friday or Thursday or Friday, I believe, I took a unnecessary loss where it should have been a break-even day, but I just got a bad fail and a bad exit, so can't complain. But anyways, enjoy the clips. It doesn't matter, wait, pero just más o menos para que sepas que it closes above the 50%. Alright, so we might take some sells here. Rodrigo, get ready, yeah? Alright, we enter some sells. Enter now. Alright, so this is our entryway. Fuck, hopefully we're gonna fake out. Sell. No, sell market. Yeah. Alright, don't pull no. You can put your. Damn, nigga. Buyer's gonna step in though. Nigga stopped out. Get ready to exit. Alright, Rodrigo? Just in case. Seems like sellers are present with, but over. Nah, these niggas gonna step in hella hard. Let's see. Oh, maybe. It's just grinding up right now, way. So we'll see though. Almost. Put your sell limit arribita, way. Arribita the candle, the big ass candle. Yeah, we're on trader rate. So if it crosses their way, it stops us out, way. Cause, yeah. Well, you see how it almost stops us out, way? Damn, nigga, by a tick. Yeah. So once it crosses here, it's gonna cross here when it stops us out, way. It's all good though. See that little tick saves us, nigga. Oh my god. Hey, that's crazy if it saves us though. Maybe, I don't see. I don't want to jinx it. Alright, put your sell limit way acá bajito. No, a buy limit way at 32.27. Just in case, put it right here way. Yeah. 32.27. Alright, my exit out, Rodrigo. Exit out. Yeah. I look right here now, it just swept the AM low way. So I would take a trade at keyway. Don't take this, Rodrigo, though. But yeah, this is like the trade way. The one I was explaining to you, Rodrigo. I can get my ass sued. I don't know him. No, but I don't know. I don't think so. Niggas be. All right, I took this trade away. No se escuchó, güey. Yeah, I took this. Damn, I'm gonna get stopped out right now. Oh no, yeah. Yeah, güey. Let's see. No way, by tick. No way. No mames. No mames. That's it. Let's go. Let's see if it respects it. Hold on. Yeah, wait. No, I'm looking at the 1 minute right now. Look. To see if it gives our entry candle away. This might be our entry candle away. Hopefully it's not a fake out though. Hopefully we get some actually. Hopefully buying pressure away. See if it goes above the 50%, we take it. Probably is. Alright, we're probably taking it. Yeah, take it away. Puta madre. We're gonna get stopped that way. Close, close, close. Close, 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 close. We might get a little cheap trade here. Where'd you go? Get ready to take a trade here. We're gonna be looking for buys, man. We're gonna be in and out fast at Rodrigo. We might take this trade. Where'd you go? Get ready. Oh no. As it goes above 50%. Are we taking it? Fuck. Got a nasty feel. Yeah, buy. Alright. Damn, I got a nasty feel with. So good. We might get stopped out. Fucking hell, way. Yeah, get ready to close, Rodrigo. We might get stopped out here. Yeah, we're gonna get stopped out. Close, 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 close. No mames. Damn, nigga, I lost 700 right there. Wait, what?